Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am unstuffing from my envelopes. I have this little sheet here that has all the items that I'm going to be pulling out from each envelope, and it's just spending that I did during the week using my card. So I have a few purchases that I need to take back to the bank. So I'm going to start off with that first, and then also I'm going to condense. I like to condense my binders if I can after I unstuff from them. So first things first, Starbucks. I reloaded twice so far. So I have $20 here that I'm going to be taking back to the bank. And I like to just take it back to the bank. I'll get fresh money next time around. So this is just the way I like to do it. But you could always roll it over, like use it again for the following week if you want to. So I like to also highlight and cross check off. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so that one's easy. I have the money for that. That one's good to go. Next, I'm going to do nothing else in my wallet. I believe I do have some envelopes I'm shopping with, but I don't think any of these, none of these are the categories I need. So I'm gonna go into my binders now. I have clothing. Oh, actually, I don't think I have enough in clothing. So I might have to do pulling from another envelope. So clothing, I need 50. Is clothing in here? No, it's in, okay, I'll do clothing next because it's actually in this one. So I'll do road trip, which I need 65. I think I have that here. Yeah, that's the full amount here. I went out of town a couple of times, so I use, this is like gas money for when I go out of town. Just makes things a little bit easier since I don't really budget for that. I budget for my normal gas to go to work and to go around town driving and that kind of stuff for groceries and errands, but I don't really budget weekly for going out of town, so I use this road trip money to pay for that. So I'm gonna write here, gonna just zero all of this out. I'm not going out of town this weekend, so having zero in here is fine until I build it up and need to go out of town again. Okay, so that's road trip. Next is a rainy day. I actually took a day off from work last week, like a Thursday. It was randomly on a Thursday because I went to Disneyland with my brother's family, and yeah, they wanted to go during the week, so we went during the week. So I need 47, and I don't have, I almost have 47. So I have 20, 40. I need to make change. Okay, let me come back to this one and do a couple other ones before I need to start pulling and making change. Okay, I'm gonna go to this Disney envelope because I did, oh, actually it's in the pink one. I did a couple of purchases. Sometimes it's just easier to do mobile orders when you're there. So I did a couple of mobile orders when I was there, just 3. I did go to Disney twice last week. I went on Thursday and I went on Saturday. So I had some purchases I still need to pull from. So for Disney, this is a total of $22 total. Yeah, 10, 17, yeah, $22. So I'm gonna pull 22 out of here. I think I have 22. Yeah, I do actually. Okay, cool. So I have the exact change for that. And then I just need to update this tracker. Okay, so 22, that is the 7, the 5, and the 10. And I'm just gonna highlight that that's done. All right, cool. And then I need to update this tracker. So I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 86 left. Is that correct? Hold on. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81. I was like, that's not correct. 81 left. I just counted it wrong. Also, since I have these 5s, I'm just going to condense this right now so I can get some 5s because I do need 5s. Okay. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 81. That's correct. All right, so that is good now. All right, and I believe that's it from this one. So now I'm gonna go into my clothing, clothing envelope. And I did a purchase at Victoria's Secret online because they're having a sale. So I spent 50. I only have 45 though. So how I handle that issue is I will take this 45 and then I will go to my wallet, and I have a spending envelope where I have spending money that I can spend however I choose to. So sometimes I do this where if I don't have enough in this envelope, I could pull from my spending envelope and pull from here if I need it. So what I'm gonna do, because I have a little bit left, I have 13. So I'm gonna take this 10, make change, okay. And then I'm just gonna give myself 5 over here. And I don't use trackers in here, so I don't have to track anything. I just pull the money out, and then whatever's left over, I'll put in savings. But that's basically it. So now I have 50, which is what I needed. 20, 40, 45, 50. So that one's good now. And then I'm just gonna zero this out. Minus 45 is 0. And clothing. All right, and then my last envelope I need to pull from is rainy day. So rainy day, for me, rainy day, I like to use this for days I don't feel well. I want to get something to make me feel better. And then days where I take off from work and don't use PTO, which usually, if I'm taking like one day off a week or one random day off during the week, I usually don't use PTO because we can choose if we want to use it or not. And I'll save my PTO for like longer vacations, so I can go away for like a week or so, and it'll be paid. So in these situations, I didn't take PTO, so my paycheck was a little bit short because I took that one day off. So I like to pull like half of whatever I have in here. It's never the full amount that I get paid, but at least it's something just to put in my account. So I need 47. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, let me just make change just so I don't confuse myself. Okay, so I need 47. So I have 20, 40, 5, 6, 7. So it should be half. Okay, so 20, 45, 46, 47. So that is what I need for that one. And then I'm left with 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, yeah, 47. All right, so that one is good. And then I just need to update my tracker. Minus 47 is 47. All right, so that one is good. And that is all the money I needed to take out. Now, I need to actually count how much I should have over here and make sure and double check that I really do have that amount. Okay, let me get a calculator. So I have 20, 50, 65, 47, 7, 5, and 10, which is 204. So let's see if that's what I have over here. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So 204 is correct. So that is all going back to the bank. It's just going back into my checking account since I already spent the money. All right, so cool. That one's done. Now what I'm going to do is just condense my envelopes if they need it, because I have some 20s. I actually have a good amount of 20s. I have some 10s, so let's see if I can condense a little bit in here. So auto repair has 245. I always like doing this. This part. It's one of my favorites, just going through them and seeing if they can be condensed a little bit. Electronics has 30. So that one's good. Emergency maybe. Might possibly be able to on this one. Yeah. So I could do a 10. So in cash and emergency, I have 1, 2, 3, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 460. So he wants to do 63. So 463 plus the 1500 is 1963. Perfect. So that one's good. Extra savings has 135. I'm actually taking this back to the bank. I think like I'm probably gonna film me unstuffing a lot of this either today or tomorrow, so I'm gonna leave that one as it is. Furniture has 103. I think I can condense this. Yeah, I can do some 20s. So 10, 20. And furniture has 50, 70, 90, 100. 1, 2, 3, 103. And furniture. Rainy day has 47, which I think was fine, yeah. Road trip has nothing. Scentsy has 22, so I can do a 20 in here. That's 22. And then subscriptions has 270. So that one's good. Oops. Okay, and then travel has 120. That one's good too. All right, so I couldn't do a lot in there, but at least I did a little bit. Whatever I could. Let me fix this one because I kind of put it in funny. Okay, so that one is all done. I'm gonna go into the pink binder next. Go Wild has 60, which that one looks good because I have a 50 and a 10, so that one's good. Disneyland, let's see, I think I can condense this. Yeah, I can do a 20. So 20, 40, 60, 81. Disneyland. I actually didn't spend as much as I thought I was going to when I went, so yeah. They just came out. I just saw they came out with a bunch of Christmas stuff that's really cute. Of course, they always come out with the stuff like after I leave the park and I'm not going for a bit, so yeah. Christmas is good. That's okay. Holiday decor, I think maybe. Let's see. I can do a 20. So 10, 15, 20. Okay, so that's 50, 70, 90, 110, 11, 12, 112. And holiday decor. Fun has 40. So I could do a 20. And that's $40 in fun. And then next I have treat yourself. Oh, that one's good. Treat yourself is good. And then hobbies, I have 70. So that one's good too. All right, so not too much there, but I did a little bit, so that's good. All right, I'm gonna go into the gray binder, and then I have some envelopes in my wallet that I could possibly condense. We'll see. 57 in beauty. Oh yeah, 20's here. So here's a 20, and that's good. Okay, so that's 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57 in beauty. Clothing has nothing. Content has 50. I have some 10s. Okay, so I can do a 20 here. And that is 50. Family has 80. I think I have some 10s in here. Yeah, so I can do a 20. That was my last 20. So 20, 40, 60, 80 in family. Oops. Gifts. I'm going to leave gifts as it is because I like to have a mixture in there. Oh, you know which one I forgot to do? This one. Probably should have came to this one first, but that's okay. This one right here. Let's see if I have enough to condense in here. Oh yeah, I could have used a 20 in here, but that's okay. But for the most part, this looks pretty good. I probably need to go and get like hundreds or something soon to condense this a little bit more, but for now that'll kind of do. And I think I'm just gonna leave. I'll just leave these. I'm gonna be taking this out anyway soon, so I'm just gonna leave that as it is. And then I'll just go into my wallet. I've been spending from these, so the trackers aren't going to be correct because I haven't fixed them yet, but let's see if I can condense these. No, so that one's good. Household. Ooh, a bunch of 10s. That one is good. Okay, I think I'm good in here actually. So yeah, okay. So that is about it. Let me just double check and make sure I still have 204 over here, because if I don't, then I messed up somewhere. All right, so 10s, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 204, perfect. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed watching as I unstuffed and condensed for the week. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.